Hello, good day, and today I have a Shure ULXP4. It's blinking, it's breaking like it's not connecting with the microphone. The sound is breaking. If I put it on now, you see the battery indicator. This you can see. The battery indicator keeps breaking and it's affecting the sound. Check. So I'm going to walk you through how I am able to fix it in case you have this kind of problem. So I'm going to put it off. There is a Tonekey Disable here on this place. You can see so I can't move the camera. Okay. Yeah, you can see there is a Tonekey. There's a Tonekey Disable here. So I'm going to solder it. This might actually serve as a temporary solution, but most of the ones are fixed. It has always make it work. So I'm going to try the two approach. I felt that there should be a better approach than just this Tonekey, because I believe that for the Tonekey to be disabled from the factory, that means it's necessary. But this is the first solution, and if I get another solution, I'm going to update this video as well. I have to be careful because I just want to make a jumper on it. I don't want it to touch. Yeah, I don't want it to touch the other places as well. So I just try to make a jumper on it. Then I'm going to test now if it's going to respond. But most of the ones I'll be fixing have actually responded through this method over the years. And let's check. Wow. Check. Sound check 1 2 1 2. Sound check 1 2. And it works just like others. And if there is any updates on how to fix it not through the Tonekeys, I'm going to update you. In case you like my video, kindly like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thank you.